Welcome to Binance, the world's greatest cryptocurrency trading platform. This video shows the basics of Binance trading through 3 simple steps. Step 1. Register. Simply click on Register and fill in the form. If you have a referral link, you can add that as well. Once you have read and accepted the terms of use, click on Register. Now, go to your inbox and confirm the email you provided. Follow the final steps to verify that you're not a robot. To do so, just drag the icon to complete the puzzle. Once registered, it is highly recommended that you set your 2-factor authentication using a Google Authenticator. Simply download the Google Authenticator app on your phone and scan the QR code. Step 2. Managing your funds. To manage your funds, just click Funds, Balances. Here you will find all cryptocurrency supported by the Binance Exchange. Depositing any currency is as easy as finding your coin and clicking the deposit button. For example, if you wish to deposit Bitcoin, click on the deposit next to the Bitcoin. Once there, just copy the address from your Binance wallet. Go to your external wallet and send Bitcoin to this address. If you wish to send funds from Binance to external wallet, just click Withdraw. There you will be able to submit the address you wish to send your coins to. Once you've selected the amount, you will see the transaction fee you need to pay. Click Submit and you're all done. Step 3. Trade. As soon as you deposit any cryptocurrency, it is highly recommended to buy Binance Coin in order to cut your future transaction fees down in some percentage. To use this great option, you first need to activate it and then of course some Binance Coin. How do we get Binance Coin? Easy! Just click on the Exchange Basics and you'll be entering the Exchange section of Binance page. First, find the market where BNB and Bitcoin are paired. Now, position in the left are other Binance users, also given orders. They are either selling or, just like you, trying to buy one of the currencies pair. Here you can give out an order saying you want to buy Binance Coin and pay for it in Bitcoin. The orders that are currently being executed decide the market price, also expressed in US dollars. To buy at this price, simply fill out the buy order form and you are ready to go. Binance is much more than we've just said. There are numerous indicators and trading tools available in the professional mode, as well as the latest news regarding the Binance Exchange. Explore and search all the Binance has to offer, and if you ever hit a bump, remember there is always a 24/7 customer service just few clicks away.